Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and once again I've been out raiding the rack and I have 3 wonderful plants to show you today. Now, I went out and got 3 different types of vining plants here. One is a Philodendron, one is an Epipremnum, and one is a Monstera. Now this is the first one I want to show you. This is a beautiful, large-leaved Monstera, Peru. And when I saw this, I was head over heels. There were only 3 examples of this in this plant center where I got this plant. It's really beautiful. At the moment, it's all wrapped around itself in this hanging basket, but that's all going to change because I want this as a climbing vine. So I'm going to be putting it round a stake and vining it up as a wonderful thriller. It's got beautiful big leaves and it has a lot of smaller ones coming. So if it's staked up, I'm sure it will carry on producing those beautiful big leaves. So I'm just going to bring it closer so you can get a good look at this. Now look at that, people. Isn't it amazing? Look at that big leaf down there. I'm just going to show you that leaf against my face. Now look at that. That is what you call a big leaf. And if you look against my hand, it covers my hand completely, right? What a beautiful plant. It has this really, really thick kind of leathery feel to the leaves and very deep veining. Look at all those beautiful leaves here at the top here. All of it, look. And then it's trailing here. That is just going to be so wonderful when I stake it up and let it grow out because I'm just in love with these leaves. They're just gorgeous. So that I'm really, really happy with. So you're going to be seeing this in a repotting and staking video very soon. So let's swap around a little bit here. Put this one here. And then this one, I just need to take out of this little plastic bag that has nothing to do with what it's called or anything like that. Now this one here is also a special little plant and I do love its longer leaves. The leaves do remind me of this Monstera Peru. Of course they're bigger, but it's the same kind of colour at the moment and has these veinings, but it's completely flat veinings. It's not like a bit bubbly like this one. And it is training. And yeah, I'm probably going to have this as a spiller by the side of my humidifier at the moment until I figure out what I want to do with it later on. But I'm loving this texture to this. This plant has completely outgrown its pot. Look at all those roots. They're amazing, but they're really, really coming out at the bottom of the plant. And then look here at the leaves. Really lovely. And then this long piece here. And it's a lovely little plant. I love these long leaves. Can you see them properly here? And also another special thing about this plant is when the leaves get longer, they do get fenestrations in them. Can you see that? Just there by my finger there is a little fenestration. That's just amazing. Oh, I'm gonna love this. So that's another reason why I got it. It kind of reminds me of a Monstera as well. So that is Epipremnum. What a beautiful little plant. So we'll put that on the side. And I've told you before, I love vining plants. They're fantastic because you can use them in so many different ways. Thrillers, spillers, centerpieces, in a bowl, bushing out, whatever. Mixing them together. There's just so many things you can do with them. So now we get to the last one I have here. This is a beautiful Philodendron Micans. And this has beautiful leaves that kind of feel like satin or velvety. And it's very trailing and it grows quite quick. If it's got enough light, it will grow quite quickly. So this I'm probably going to have by the side of my humidifier for a while as well because I'm going to be moving some plants around, so I need to put something there. until I get other kinds of Marantas that I want to put there, but I haven't been able to find them right now. I have the one, but I have two of the one, and I've moved them slightly to the side. But anyway, let's get back to this. Look at this one close up. This is Philodendron Micans, and it's just beautiful. Another beautiful philodendron. You can see it has the beautiful heart-shaped leaves. Look at them close up, aren't they just beautiful? Really, really beautiful leaves on this plant. They have this kind of dark browny, greeny, burgundy colour going on. And it's just wonderful. It's just wonderful. So this is going to bush out and look really, really nice. Oh, I'm really getting into these philodendrons, epipremnums, monsteras, calatheas, marantas, and all sorts of plants right now. But anyway, that's the 3 plants I came home with after raiding the rack this time. And you will be seeing a video of me repotting and placing this Monstera Peru so that it becomes a thriller up a beautiful stake. I can't wait for that. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. I will see you very soon in another video. Goodbye.